So in this video now we'll try to understand how to design a DB diagram, okay, that flow, that relationship and all those things, okay, in DB diagram. So for this one we will use that dbdiagram.io, okay, that is freely available to do that. So let's move to that and try to design that DB diagram, whatever we learned in that last video, same thing we'll try to replicate it there, okay. So now let's see. So here I need to put that dbdiagram.io. Okay. So you will get that dbdiagram.io. So this is that best way now to use that. So for now, create your diagram. I will click on this. Okay. So see now by default, it's provided some example to us. Okay. How it will be created easily. Okay. So now you can see that table name. Okay. So now I will try any one of this. I will copy and try to do that what all we discussed last time in the similar way. And then you can follow all this way and you can try to explore those. Okay. So now we done that. We'll create that a student, not a students. Okay. So now in a student, we discuss what all we need. We need that a student ID, a student ID. Okay, and we need to put the data type as int. Okay, then we need first name. Okay, then varchar. Okay, varchar of 100. Okay, so see now it's by default it's not providing you that to do that all those things. Okay, but if you provide a length of 100, then it will be easy to understand that how much length you passing and all. Okay, so that's why it will be better to use that. Okay, now this one we discussed last time, created time or created date, created, and we will use that like date. Okay, oh sorry, or since here it's using time stamp, so created time I can put. Okay, time stamp if you wanted to use. Okay, in this similar fashion now you can use that last name again. Okay, column must have a type. Okay, so here's varchar of 100. Okay, so in this way, see now how this look good. If you send someone, they will be able to understand. And next thing I will explain you more about this one. Okay, you can see that what is doing. So I will use that one more to just explain to you. I'll put it here only. Okay, so now it's user.user ID. So it's telling for user table. Okay, followed follows. So followers, then user.user ID is saying. So I will use that a student. Okay, a student dot we have a student ID. Okay, now I will create one more table like this. I'm not deleting that older one so that you can understand. Now course. Okay, now set. Okay, course, then course ID will be there, first column, course ID. Okay, course name will be there. What is that course stand for? Course name. Okay, and last created as of now I will add it. Okay, so now you can see a student ID. Okay, here's set. This need to be a student. Okay, and this need to be a student ID. Okay, so you can see it's telling all those things. Okay, and now this need to be course. So yours course. Okay, and then this need to be course ID. Okay, So this will be course ID. So now you can see it's automatically designed. Okay, it's showing one to many relationship is defined because here it's telling in this way, right? So now you can see that many to one is defining. So it's already all those things it will take care. Okay, and just now in this way you can pass that reference. Okay, I can define this one will be primary key, this will be foreign key, as all those things also I can define. Okay, so student ID will be primary key. Okay, so you can see here it's now symbol came that it's primary key. Similar way I need to provide that here as well, that it's primary key. So student course ID is also primary key. Okay, so in this way we will have all these things will be defined here, right? Now you can do in that way and try to understand, okay, how these things are going to work. Okay, in this way you can design your DB diagram. Now I will minimize this one. Okay, so now we just looking for these two only. So in this way you can design and you can do that how many you wanted. You can drag and drop and put that multiple place where all you wanted to put. Okay, so you can design in this way and let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, thank you.